Hi, I'm Bernie Keach with Marshall Electronics, and welcome to NAB New York City 2024. Today we're highlighting our new NDI cameras. We have both in 3G and 4K. We have our 370 camera, our 374. These do HX2, HX3. They're our new top-of-the-line NDI cameras and our new top-of-the-line POV cameras. We have them both in the 500 series and the 300 series, the difference being in the lenses. Moving down the line, we're highlighting just the vast array of cameras we have. One, we have a 6G camera, the Marshall CV380 CS. Once again, that's a 6G camera. Works very well with Blackmagic cameras. Blackmagic ecosystems, we sell a lot of them into that system. Along with that, we have our standard POV cameras. SDI, HDMI, 1920 by 1080, 4K, you name it, we have a Marshall camera for your POV application. Of course, we have our LCD rack mounts, 17-inch, dual 7s, a little bit of everything for whoever needs that. Further on down the line, we're highlighting our new 4-input switcher. It's got a multi-viewer to show you your 4 inputs, and then on the output, I can switch my different inputs coming in. Currently today, we have a couple of our POV cameras. We have our lipstick camera, PV226. It's just incredible what this camera does. You actually see it on TV sports every day of the week without realizing it. It's amazing what the Marshall cameras do. Then further down the line, we can take our PTZ and actually control our cameras. Just like that, it's just amazing. Let's zoom in on our camera guy. Hello, everyone. Of course, we have our waterproof cameras. And then we have our Marshall PTZ cameras, a full line of cameras. We have 5X, 10X, 12X, 20X, 30X, NDI, SDI, 4K, UHD. If I did mention a format you're interested in, give me a call, Bernie Keach at Marshall Electronics, www.marshall-usa.com. Thank you very much.